Good morning, yinz and y'all. How y'all doing? I'm doing pretty good. I found a can of snuff with a pinch of dip in it, so I'm a happy boy. This is my smallest ukulele. My little boy Becky gave it to me. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I hope y'all saw my Taco Tuesday video yesterday. I've decided every Tuesday, thanks to my dear friend Rachel Courtier, I'm going to do a taco recipe every Tuesday in the meth end of town. Celebrate Taco Tuesday. I don't even know if we celebrate Taco Tuesday here in Canada or in Peterborough or even fucking who cares. But Tuesday, tacos, makes sense, right? I made blue corn, black bean, and tomato tacos yesterday, I believe. They were really good. Further proof you can do anything with a pack of ramen. Pack of ramen noodles. God damn, that shit. It's like a fucking steak. Anyhow, I'm just excited because I found a fucking pinch of snuff. Steve Vai, fucking look out, motherfucker. That's it. You know it. God damn. That was fucking so nasty, eh? So good though. Yeah, I was just about to go make another cooking video, but apparently my kitchen is fucking destroyed. I didn't think it would be, but it is. So I gotta clean the kitchen before I make the cooking video, because you gotta be clean. Y'all seen my little cutting board, my little homemade prison cutting board. Keep it clean. Certainly rules to live by. But so I've been getting a couple of subscribers here and there, and I think I'm at 43 now, which is really nice. And as I've said before many times, it's not about the numbers for me. I appreciate it if you even watch the videos. If you don't, whatever. I just do it to kill my own boredom, mostly. But, share this moment with me. God damn. It's a moment. It's a moment in every snuffer's life when you're out of snuff. And you're shaking your cans. Shaking your can. And you fucking realize you gotta... got that left. That's alright. It's alright. Fuck, this is the weirdest, grossest video I think I've ever made. Yeah, it's really just an information video. I'm gonna be playing a gig in Peterborough on Friday if you're in town. If you're not in town, I'll let you sleep on my fucking shitty broken futon if you want to come in from out of town. Friday night at the Garnet, Hurricane Charlie. Gonna fucking rip the roof off that motherfucker. I think we're playing with a band called Open Doors. And I'll tell you, the doors will be open after we rip them open. You know how it is. What else? Also, very soon on Mirkwood Recordings, my wonderful record label in Pittsburgh, will be releasing the first album by Hurricane Charlie Live at Fuzz Fest, Maelstrom Boogie, I believe it's called. Should be cool. What else? Oh, I had something else important to tell you. More cooking video. More cooking videos coming. I've had requests for people interested in my cooking videos. And if you have anything you want to see me try to make, I'll definitely throw it in the comments, and I'll definitely try to make it. My rules are I got to either be able to get it for free from the dollar store or from the food bank for free. You know what I mean? That's the whole concept. Is I'm teaching life skills on how to cook with weird shit you get for free or from the dollar store. So those are my rules. But that's the other thing I was going to tell you. The 55th subscriber, I'm going to make I've already started making it a homemade set of meth end of town cooking utensils, as in paring knives and cutting knives, and I'm going to throw in for the 30th subscriber special. I made a stinger or a bug or whatever the fuck. You use it to heat up hot water when you're in the joint. It's made of a broken electrical cord, a couple razor blades, and some string. Looks dangerous as fuck, but it's not. It's just used to boil water. So yeah, if you're the 50th subscriber and you can let me know how to get this shit to you, it might take me a while because I'm broke. I don't have any shipping money, but if you're local, I can just give it to you. But yeah, I gotta save up some shipping money because it's gonna cost me a few bucks to ship all this shit. But yeah, if you're number 50 and you can prove it, then you'll be the proud owner of the world's only complete set of Chef Dirty P signature meth end of town cooking knives. Can you dig it? I knew you could. All right, people, I'm gonna be out of here. The moments are small but meaningful. I'm gonna be out of here till later. I gotta clean my goddamn kitchen again, and then I'll be making some crazy shit for lunch, and then who knows? I'm really working up. You know how music is. You gotta have you gotta have it in you. You gotta have and I'm like, I've been rehearsing for Hurricane Charlie at home, and I've made videos for a lot of that shit already. So, but fuck, I'm rambling, man. I slept. I fucking felt. I have horrible insomnia almost all the time, and so like 6 nights of the week I'll sleep like 3 hours, 2 hours, 4 hours, and then one night a week I will fucking. I don't know if any of you were talking to me online last night. I must have sounded like a fucking mess because I hadn't slept and I was on a bunch of my anxiety medication, blah, blah. I should have been sleeping, and I was yakking on the Facebook. But, yeah. So, last night was the night I fell for like 14. I fell asleep with the lights on, all my clothes on. Woke up at 7 this morning, and I had to pee. I had to pee so bad. And, then, fuck, I realized, shit, I've been sleeping all night with the lights on. I just sleep on my back. I never sleep on my back. It's weird. Just a weird morning, but I'm feeling good. It's a good morning, so I hope you're having a good morning too. I hope you all stay fucking free and have a great day. And fucking shout outs to all my pals, Karen, Rachel, Jake Shuey, Hank Youngblood, Dan Dempster, Ron Thompson, Dave Harthen, Dave Hodges. Fuck, man, the list goes on. You're all fucking bomb. Tyler Watson, Mo Cantilever Jr. You are all fucking tits money. Alright. I'll be seeing you. Be well.